doing good. So let's start with one amazing topic today. Hope you wanted to get the substantial result in your life. Hope you wanted to go to the next level. So let us start a wonderful topic in which I will talk something about few dimensions of the attributes of our life. So let me tell you, suppose I am giving one example. Suppose someone wanted to cut the trees, so that person should start cutting trees, but after some time, otherwise what happen, they can start cutting trees, and after some time the tree might not cut. If big tree would be there, then definitely that tool is not enough, or that saw is not enough. The sharpen the saw is required. So in our life also we have to sharpen the saw. So you can say that the mind itself is a saw in our life. The mind, it should be sharpened on the regularly. Our mind should be sharpened in each every day. At the same time, we'll have other dimensions. It's not only mind, but we have the physical body, we have the spirituality. We need to know, we need to balance the lifestyle, we need to know what all things we have to do. We are taking foods, we should be more conscious what basically we are taking. So based on all those dimensions, then definitely you can serve your mind. So how we can start, and what is the benefit to do all those things? But let me tell you, do you want all those amazing results in your life? You will say yes, I want. So you might raise the question, how? Because everybody is working in this planet, but why few people are getting all those substantial result in their life? Why they are getting that growth? Why they are staying ahead, getting ahead? Why they are different from us? Because there is something different, because they are doing something different. Their lifestyle, if you know about their lifestyle, if you really check how they are doing, if you read their biography or autobiography, you will come to know they are having some unique different lifestyle. They are following those protocols in which they are getting all those results. So I would say your physical dimension, or you can say physical fitness or physical connection. Then second one is your social connection or your emotional connection. Then third one is your spiritual connection. Then another one is your state of mind or mindfulness. So how we'll balance these four things? Because it is not easy, and at the same time it is not even difficult. We need to practice, we need to just look at where we should go, what is our goal, what is our vision, what you wanted to achieve in your life. We have to just have all those goals. You should have short-term goals, you should have long-term goal. Then you need to work based on all your goals. Then what happen? You will get a healthy lifestyle. You will have a fruitful, you will have the results, or you can say you can get all this fulfillment in your life. You can achieve all of your desires, wants, whatever you are expecting. You will get all those things. Your dreams will come true. But we need to follow the steps. We need to follow the strategy. Really get motivated. How will manage our mind? How will control our mind? Because when we get up in the morning, we have basically mind is very stable. Because throughout the night we just slept, we just took the rest, and in the morning your mind is so calm. But thing is that if you start involving your mind with different then you can start meditation, you can start yoga, pranayam, whatever you like. So this is up to you. So stop, then what happened? You might face the distraction, you might face difficulties, you might have all those things which is not required in your life. You will come to know why I am doing all those things. I am not getting the things what I am expecting, that is not coming true. So you might face all those challenges in your life. So definitely, in order to overcome all those challenges, you should start your morning routine with the things which will give that mindfulness. So that is number one. Then number two, physically fit. How you will connect to your body, how you will connect to your or soul, your mind, unless you walk, unless you jog, unless you run, unless you do any kind of physical exercise. So do you think, are you able to be healthy? No, we cannot become healthy unless we do this kind of activities, whether you are into the sports, whether you are into game, whatever you like. We have to just spend actually half an hour or 1 hour time for this healthy, for this our body. Then only we'll become strong, we'll become more conscious on our health. Because thing is that we are eating lots of things, we are eating unnecessary stuff, we are eating many things, but thing is that which food is good for health, which is not good, we don't have that clarity. So that's what, if you will do any kind of exercise, then what happened, all those things, all of your body, all of your mind, whatever, it will become strong. So that's what, the essential thing is to do some physical exercise. Then let us discuss about your social connection, or you can say emotional connection. So thing is that how we are going to really connect with people nicely, how we will add the values in others' life, how we will give the meaningful thoughts, how we will share the good thoughts with others, how we will become a giver in our life. Thing is that people don't know, even nobody has studied these things, how to know the emotional intelligence, how nobody has learned, because we have been studying with others things. Nobody has given this kind of education to us. That's what we need to learn. We need to just spend some time. We need to do the self-realization. We need to just introspect. Thing is that you need to first discover to yourself first, and you will have a good relationship with others, because we are staying in this society. So we need to learn how we will spend time with others, how we will get the relationship, or how you'll have a good relationship with others. Focus that you need to really know how you will have a good relationship with the families, friends, your society, your neighbor, your loved one. So we must practice it, and overnight it will not happen. We need to practice. Eventually we will achieve all those stuff in our life. Then let us talk about the spirituality. So that is the most important thing in our life. We need to just spend some time alone, and you have to just know who you are. You need to discover from what is my aim, what is my objective, why I have come to this world. You have to just think, you have to connect with your super soul. You have to just discover yourself whenever you go to holy place. So in this way, what happened, we can also enhance the spirituality. If we'll have those spirituality in the mind, then of course you can control your mind, you can control your body, you can control the foods, you can control your emotion.